We're gonna take everything.
You take this out.
Okay, take all this stuff. Then we're gonna see here. Okay, now let's see here. Hold like this. Hold, no, that's one, no problem. This one here, they put everything back. Hold like this.
Yeah. See the line.
Hold on. Here is good. Here also is good. They don't cut anything. So this wire here for the remote start is good. They put everything back. What's here?
This
Be sure that.
your...
Look here. They put back, right?
Yeah,
everything back.
Right, yeah.
What happened to the original box?
This for the next size. This size. For your size.
Just put the old one. Let's see what's gonna happen.
How many? One. It's the same.
Yeah, take it out.
The same.
Yeah, take it out. We're gonna plug the original one. Because I don't know what's going on. There's a problem in this car. I don't know what it is. I see this module here. I don't know if it is for the same car or not, because some car they have a different module, different part number. Maybe the antenna is no good too. Yeah, you can get another antenna, the one that is sitting here. We're gonna take this one, we're gonna put another antenna there and check. Maybe the antenna is no good, who knows. Take it slowly. You see this? Hopefully it's connected. Yes, here. Okay, maybe this one have a problem too. We're gonna take it out, put another one. No security. You see? No security light, which is good. Wow. Okay, so let's see what's going on. No, maybe because I disconnect this. Security is there, you see. 1 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, maybe the antenna have an issue too. Yes, take a long time before it come on. It's supposed to come on right away. Yeah, maybe you have to get this antenna out, move that screw there. We have to take this antenna out and get another one, and then we take it from there. Okay, my friend, you see this piece here? See this piece here?
Yeah.
Yeah, we may need to have this one, this piece. We have one here. Do you have any Nissan here? This piece. Yeah, this.
You need a new?
Yeah, I need one.
No, take this out?
You can take that one later, but disconnect this. Disconnect this for me. We need the space.
So I can't bring it there.
I believe they put remote starter. Remote starter always knock that one out. Okay. Now take this one too, if you can. Disconnect this. Okay. Okay, you see those wires?
Uh-huh.
I want to see those wires here. Okay.
Take this out?
Give me this one. You see, it have one screw here. 8, you see?
8?
That's the screw, 8, the small one.
Yeah.
Take it out there. And I'm going to get this one. This piece. After I get it, we're gonna program, because the way it responds very slow. That means you turn the key on, you stay 7 seconds, then it's come on, which is no good. We're gonna put a new one, and then we take it from there. It's supposed to work. They changed the BCM. I don't know if the BCM that they changed the same with this number or not. If the number are not the same, it will not work. 284 B 1 Charlie BB 1 Charlie B80A. You sure the BCM that inside is the same part number?
No, I don't think so.
Okay,
These have a 3 plugs. These how many plugs you have?
You have 3 plugs, but the part number very important. Part number is very
1, 2, 3. I don't know.
The part number is very important. It doesn't matter. Just take
take
this
this
one.
out?
Take this one. Get us this one. Maybe you have a good tool, man. Where do you get this tool from?
I'm still it. Okay, you take this out now after the put it in.
That's the antenna.
Could you forget? No?
No way. So you push it hard antenna, right?
Yeah.
You need somebody to
Yeah, man, it was good, yeah?
yeah, it's good. Now this piece we need one.
You need this, yeah?
Yeah, give me one here.
Do you find out this?
The auto part have it, dealer have it.
Dealer?
Because it doesn't want to take the process.
This for the, who name this
The
one?
antenna, yeah.
Huh?
Antenna, yes.
This antenna?
Yeah. This is immobilizer antenna, immobilizer unit. The information from the key come here, get processed and go out.
Okay, I called it once again.
See if they have it. The Nissan here by the 65, if they have it, we go get it and we put it together.
2005.
Yeah, Nissan Murano, right?
Yeah, kid.
Key also have to be tested. correctly. I just have to have a chip inside. Thank you for watching. Please give us any idea what's going on and what could be done, but based on the diagnosis, I believe this is the problem that we have it for this car. It doesn't want to register on it.